Okay, so this is the first of two videos I'm going to do on the 555 timer. I've done a slightly different setup from what a lot of people are doing here, in that I've tried to separate the 555 side of things from the RC timer side of things. So I think of it in terms of control and the timer. This is essentially an RC timer circuit. I'm using the potentiometer for the resistor, and then we've got the capacitor there. It's 220 microfarad. So this just basically creates a delay, and the 555 is set up to monitor that delay and to trigger off of it. So for the 555, we've got the power level, the VCC, the ground. We've got a resistor for the tied in to pull the trigger up, and then the trigger is activated when I push the button pulling it down. I've got a resistor and an LED so we can see it happening, and then off of the discharge and threshold we've got them linked together, and that patches over to the timing circuit. So it monitors the capacitor as it charges up to I think it's 62%, and then once it detects that, it drains out through the discharge. So let's fire it up and watch it work. There we go. And so it's going quite quickly. It's a monostable, so it's just doing one shot, and as I tweak the potentiometer, it stays on for longer and longer. Now there is a maximum to how this all works, and it ties in, it's on the data sheet, there's a graph, and ties in with the capacitor and the resistor on the timing side of things. But that's pretty much it for the basics, and hopefully by separating those two sides it helps to explain things a little bit easier. That's it, thanks.